Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2018 GLC 300 4MATIC. This one's black. Underneath the hood's a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. For wheels we've got 18-inch 5-spoke alloys. The tires are in good condition. A black MB-Tex interior. Sunroof. Coming around back, we've got our GLC 300 4MATIC badging. Power liftgate. Clean set of floor mats. Fold down rear seats. Cargo cover. Come alongside, this one does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist. A dark linden wood trim. Heated seats. Memory seats. Power windows. Heated steering wheel. Hopping in, we've got steering wheel controls. This one also does come with smartphone integration, which is going to give you Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Paddle shifters for extra performance. Our media display. A rear view backup camera. Dual climate controls. Hard keys for our media display. Cup holders. Turn wheel for our infotainment center. Dynamic selects for a different driving pattern. This GLC has 31,652 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLC 300 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.